Sooner is fun.
The hell are you guys doing?
Oh yeah.
Now what you guys are
Next
doing?
time you guys go, I'll spawn over and give you guys another ore. Yeah, I think we need more people. Then it might be able to launch off.
I don't know, 5x5, something like that. Maybe even, I don't know. You think it should go bigger? than 5x5.
Oh my god, it's actually going. What?
It's flying.
It's what the fuck?
Wait, the raft is better than bro. The raft is so much better.
What? It made it? What the fuck?
We're good. Are we ready? We're lined up. How are we gonna steer? All right, left, right. We gotta go left. Oh no, no. We're chilling. We're chilling. This might work. No, no, we're good. We're good. What? Oh, we did it! We did it!
You did it!
Oh fuck, we did it! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
Oh hell yeah!
I'll wait for you next. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Not the booty. Oh, 100,000 damage, too long. Sorry, here's one up. Alright, she just got fucked. So like the rest of us, I'm making it. Like the rest of us. What the fuck?
For the rail. All right, we're gonna do a sweet board slide. Oh, we're perfect. We got the angle. Oh. Wait. And
Wait, like, how are you paddling? Oh, here, stop. Ah, ooh, ooh. Yeah, that's good, ready? My what? Here we come. Oh.
Can't even sick just right.
Oh!
That was not part of the plan.
Wait, back up. You guys can revert. Oh, you're fine.
We got it. I don't think we have it. Oh, we did it!
It's like a magical elevator.
You're kidding me.
Bro, I can't believe
It's so awesome.